Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of March. This month is a Luxe Box month, so I just got my Luxe Box in the mail today and oh my gosh, it's huge. Anyways, I'm so excited to open it up and unbox it for you guys. So if you want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm box this month, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it up like this. I already see a product on the top, which I'm so excited about, and let me pull out the insert card. So this month's theme is lucky, I think, and it's got like these gold coins and like little shamrocks for the month of March. Very cute. And I don't know if this is the variation number, but I will just put what I think it is in the description box below along with the products. Anyways, let me jump right into this box. Okay, so the first product I see is this Ice Rosé Body Scrub, and it comes in this little packet with this spout that you can like pour the product out of. Anyways, this is the Dew of the Gods Frozé Body Scrub, and the description says, let's acknowledge how amazing Frozé is. Rosé wine plus sugar plus ice plus cute and pink genius. That's the vibe of the Frozé Body Scrub. It's a summer staple for optimal tan management, silky smooth skin, and literally just fun in the tub. And this retails for $22. I have never heard of this brand, so I am super excited to try it. I think this company might be Canadian because it says Canada on the back, but the packaging is super cute and I'm sure this will be amazing to exfoliate my body with. Okay, the next item I see is this little dose of colors. It says this is the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. So it says this eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes in its own mirrored compact, and this retails for $20. I think this is in the shade Heart of Gold. It says at the top, and I will just crack this open. I've never tried this eyeshadow. I do have some other Dose of Color 5-pan eyeshadow palettes that I really enjoy, so hopefully this is also great. Anyway, here's a little compact, very tiny, very travel friendly, and then opening it up, there she is, gold eyeshadow. I will just swatch it. That's what it looks like. Can you see it? Just looking at it, looks like kind of a greenish gold. I'll swatch on the back of my hand. That's very pretty. I think this would look super cool on like a smoky eye or even like a cut crease. Okay, so the next item I see in the box I think is another eyeshadow, but this time it's a palette. So this is the Barbarella eyeshadow palette by BeeBeauty London. Let me open it up. I've never heard of this brand either, so this is the first time for me. And it's a bunch of like neutral shimmer shades as well as like a pop of color and then some nice mattes. Okay, it says here on the card, meet the black book of color with subtle shades to straight up blast of color. Jet milled pigments deliver intense saturated light reflective shades with gorgeous textures plus long lasting and non-creasing silky and velvety finishes. And this retails for $50 and it is a BoxyCharm exclusive. So yeah, I think this is a European brand because it says UK on the back. Probably explains why I never heard it. Oh, it says BeeBeauty London. Duh. Moving on. What else do I have in this big box of goodies? The next item I see is this B-Flat Firming Belly Cream. This is interesting, not something I would personally use, I think, but it's kind of interesting that they included this in the box because I think this is the first time they've included a product of this nature, and it comes in like this really heavy, like durable pump packaging. I don't know how to describe it otherwise, but this is the, I think it's Maëlys Cosmetics B-Flat Belly Firming Cream. Smooth away the look of stretch marks with a clinically proven belly cream. B-Flat helps to create the appearance of a smoother, tighter, and firmer looking belly. The warming sensation means it's working its magic, and this retails for $49. Not personally something I would reach for, so I probably will be giving this away, but still this could be like a really cool product if you want to try something like this out. The next item, oh, I'm so excited for. It's a glow recipe product. This is the Plump Hyaluronic Serum. It says here, this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel Serum features a unique blend of 3 types of Plum hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. And ooh, so excited. Glow Recipe is such a great brand. I really do enjoy their like watermelon sleeping mask. It smells divine. Absolutely amazing. So I'm sure this will be awesome as well. I actually kind of want to see what the packaging looks like. And this is the packaging. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this? It comes with like this little plum shaped pump, I think. Yeah. So cute. Can't wait to try this out. And oh my gosh, it has like the little crease too, so you can tell it's a plum. Okay, and I only have a few more products left. Next product I see is this. Oh, what is this? This Jecca Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. So it says this is the perfect under eye brightener which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. This lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish. And this retails for $15. I have never heard of this brand either, but I think this is a UK brand too because it says made in the UK. Probably explains why I haven't heard of a lot of the other brands in the box because some of them are like UK. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Let me just open this up. It comes in like this little like lip balm squeezy tube. And I'll just put, oh. So I don't know if you can see that, but that is the color of the corrector. It is basically the color of like the cap, kind of like this peachy pink, and I will take a brush and kind of like swatch this out. I can find my brush. I'll just take this one, and yeah, that's what it looks like. I have not used a color correcting product in forever, so I'll be very interested to give this a go beneath my eyes and see what happens. All right, and then the second to last product I have is this Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. It says here, define and fill in your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner. So it's narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy soft. The silky, long-lasting demi-matte finish is so light and breathable, you'll forget you're wearing it. And this retails for $18. And I wonder what color I got. Oh, I got the color Brown Sugar, so it's probably like a brownish nude color. Comes in like this packaging with like a clear top. This kind of reminds me of the Benefit Goof Proof eyebrow pencil in a way, just because of like how it's shaped. But let me swatch this. It's really soft, and I think this color would look so good on like an ombre type lip with like a warm nude gloss in the center. So excited to try this out and incorporate this into some of my looks. And the last item I have, I am so excited about. It is this Soleil Hair Tools mini heat brush. So I've gotten a mini straightener and a mini blow dryer in BoxyCharm before, and I'm so excited to get this just because I've been really loving my hair kind of flat and straight lately because my hair is like naturally curvy and wavy, but I would not be able to take like my hair tool with me because it's so big. So now I have like another mini tool like I can take home to like my parents or when I can finally go on trips, so I can achieve like this smooth, silky, flat hair on the go. And it says here, the Soleil Mini Heat Brush is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's as powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily guide through your hair. Safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new favorite hair tool. And this retails for $150. So this is definitely the item I think I am most happy and like excited about. In fact, I kind of want to test this out like after this video. Alright, that is it for my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of March. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you get BoxyCharm too, please let me know what products you received in this month's box in the comments below because I'd love to know. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina and I'm so happy to have you here, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye everyone.